Max, your Journey Tribe RV community, welcome back to your favorite camping YouTube channel on the planet. We're on our way to 1,000, but we need your help. Hit that subscribe button right now. I'll pause the video just for you. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. We are here today at Jellystone Delaware beaches. It is minutes from Delaware beaches without all the sanding and toes. If you know, you know. They have a brand new water park because they just got new management. Brand new water park with a splash pad, minutes from the beach. And they have the whole Yogi Bear theme. You gotta check this place out. Plus I got some awesome drone video for you. Stay tuned for all that. Hit the subscribe button right now.
We could be taking control, yeah. Make it a move, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. Make it a move, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah.
All right, let's get into it. This is Yogi Bear Delaware Camp Resort, located in Ellendale, Delaware, minutes from all the beaches, people. That's the main office that you see there, and this is your typical waiting line, if not even longer. That is one of my cons right off the bat. Now, this main little booth is always manned during the midday, and they will hand you pamphlets, but you still have to go inside and fill out more paperwork. They got to get more digital on that. But let's put that aside. Your camp store has your camping wood for your fire. You have your ice, your souvenirs, your toys, all that good stuff. Ice cream socials are right here next to it. You have a small pavilion to catch some lunch, hang out, plenty of Yogi Bear statues all over this place. And brand new to the park is these two playgrounds. Kids love them. They find their way up here and they just have a blast, man. Swing sets, volleyball nets, and even a batting cage in the back of the park. Man, I've never seen a batting cage in a campground, so that is a bonus there. Now, they have fresh produce also right beside the arcade. On certain days you can check with the main office for that, so if you forgot something or you like it fresh, they got you. Now we make our way into the Pine Cone arcade. You can see it right here. Spend a couple dollars. You know, they don't have much, but it's enough to get the kids that arcade fix, a little excitement going. Got some prizes in here that you can win. Only negative maybe is come on a cooler day because the fans are up high. They need to probably be a little bit lower blowing the air, but we had a blast. Kids they don't care. Dog park soon as you walk out, which is awesome. They have one. It's up front, a huge field to play in. Let's get up in the air. Let's check this place out. All right, so this is our camp spot. As I get you up in the air, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments, will you be checking out any Jellystones this year, or have you already? This is that open field I just talked about. You can come up here and play. The kids play baseball, football, kickball. They had a water dunking station up here earlier. They do a lot of events in this field. As you see, we're making our way up to the actual water park, splash pad, and main pool. A couple details. There is a bathroom, bathhouse, shelter in place right up here beside the pool. So if you need that, you want to know where that's at, it's right there. They also have Gaga Ball. They also have RV rentals right across from the splash pad. You'll pull up to the main office. They'll bring it up to you or even drop it off at your site. How cool is that? This is your main turning off the road there, and the highway is literally 1 minute away. So you're shooting down Route 1 headed to the beach. Cabins along that outer edge. And for all my locals or anybody passing through, I haven't been here for 3 years. The trees have grown. But as you notice, we booked along the outer edge because I know from the past I like that shade. So the trees have grown. So come on back. Check this place out, guys, and then make your own opinion about it. All right, let's get back on the ground. Check out Yogi Bear statue. Gotta get you some photo ops in front of this place. Awesome. Kids, Arlo is all over this guy. That's the splash pad from the outside. Now we're getting into the pool. Now this is brand new. Watch out, mama, they just spraying at you. You got the water rings, you got the splash pad, you got the pool, and you have two brand new water parks this year, brand new. Get out there and check it out. The prices are great, and we have a big family. I thought they were great. Splash pad, all this stuff is included with your stay. Yogi Bear Delaware has really stepped it up. It has that ring. Look at this. Ace is addicted to these water parks and water slides. You having fun, right, buddy? Oh yeah. You know, from there, to make it a Jellystone water park, you gotta have the big bucket. When you hear that bell, you better run. Dump. So all of this is new, all very kid friendly. Got blasters, slides everywhere. Let's jump over to the pool because some of us like to soak a little bit. I did notice this place was great for travel ball and passing through the area. There's tons of teams out here because it's so sports friendly and local to everything they need to get to. From there, we ride them by the cabins. Now they have some themed cabins out here like Boo Boo or Yogi Bears where you do like book readings. You wake them up in the morning. You put them to bed at night with some stories. That's all part of the theme here. Family stayed a couple tent sites down. There they go. They were over. We had a blast. You have to check out the final scenes to see how much fun we really had. This is our spot along the tree line. So you get the afternoon shade, as you can see from the awning there, shade all over. You know, you gotta do it. And Yogi Bear, of course, is going to ride through. Him and the rest of the guys. Max's Journey Tribe, that is our review of Jellystone Beach, Delaware. It's here. It is a awesome campground, jam-packed, full of all the family fun activities. Talking the splash pad, as you saw. You got the drone video that I showed you. I just need you to do one more thing, and that's hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up for us. We appreciate you guys. We thank you guys. Let me know what you like about these videos or what you want me to put in the next videos, because we have a couple more campgrounds lined up. It's getting busy. I will have a new series about the brand new house that we got. Stay tuned for that.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be